Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can download and install Olympic Games app. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is first of all open your app store, and then from here, if you are on the today's page or some other page, you'll have to tap on the search button right here and get to the search page. After doing that, tap on the search bar right here and then start typing Olympic Games. Here you can see on the search bar Olympic Games are shown. Simply tap on it and then search for it. After doing that, here you can see Olympic Games is right here. All you have to do is tap on it. So currently here you can see a cloud-like icon because I have previously downloaded this application on my phone. If you see the option of get, simply tap on get and then double click on your power button. Then your verification will be required. So either your Face ID, your Touch ID, or the password of your Apple account will be required. Since I have previously downloaded this on my phone, I don't need such verification, and within a few minutes, the download process will begin. So for now, I'm simply going to tap on this cloud-like icon, and now the download process has begun. Just like this, within few seconds, the download and installation process will successfully be done, and you can see a open button just like this. That means you have successfully downloaded and installed Olympic Games on your phone. In order to open it, you can simply tap on open and open the game. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.